Kamenbudokai. I think that's what you call it. Kamenbudokai by Eye Candy Pigments. So I already have the test fender already sanded with 800 grit, and we're gonna go ahead and just spray a black base and use about 50 grams ratio of the Cayman Budokai. This right here is a 50-gram jar, just in case you guys were wondering. They also have these in 25 and I believe 5 grams also. As low as $6 to, for about 5 grams. If you go for 25 grams, it's about $13.99, $14. This one, I can't remember. It's like, slightly above, but you guys can also save some money. GT's Performance, the code, and you guys will save 15%. So that also helps the channel, whatever you guys save, goes in a little savings and, allows me to continue purchasing more pigments so that I can, show you guys. So yeah, that's what we're working with today. Kamenbudokai, I believe that is the name. But go ahead and spray a black base over our test fender and we'll go from there. So the first thing we're going to spray is the base coat. I'm going to use the high-tech black with our medium speed reducer, and it reduces on a 1-to-1. All right, check this out. This is the Cayman Budokai. So I have 10 ounces of the inner coat, the outer paint H2, and it's reduced 1-to-1, 5 ounces inner coat, 5 ounces reducer. For these 10 ounces of inner coat, I added 4 grams of the Cayman Budokai. Here's a Cayman Budokai. Very beautiful color. Around the edge, you'll see the blue to a red shift. It's a blue and red, makes it a purple. Very beautiful color. For the clear coat, I am using the U-Pole. This is a universal clear coat, UP2882, and this one is a 4-to-1 mix. So from this angle, it kind of looks like a brownish color. A little bit of the, not the shade, but like indirect sunlight. The deeper purple. And of course, it kind of looks like with a red undertone, as it says in the description. It has a red undertone to this purple color. Very beautiful color. I might even consider it for my truck though. The color right here looks very beautiful. Like this brownish color. You don't see that color every day. Purple. You don't see a lot of purple cars nowadays either. So it's purple with a red undertone. So it looks really cool. And then because we use the black base, so it kind of like goes a little bit dark. But tell me what you guys think about this color. I like it. I like it. So that is going to be it for today. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you enjoyed the video, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I have many more pearls that I need to spray. And if you guys are interested in any of the pearls, any color, check out the link that I have pinned in the top comment to iCandy. And if you guys use code GT's Performance on anything from the store, you guys will save 15%. And of course, like I said, that'll help out the channel so I can continue more experiments. So that's going to be it for today. Peace out.